blockchain, a technology platform to build everything. And Bitcoin's original design, Craig's Satoshi vision, is back on fire with Bitcoin SV. It's time to build.
Closing the successful CoinGeek Conference Seoul with an epic after party. Tell us about the amazing party that we're having right now.
Oh my God, we're in Seoul, so it is an anime and comic after party. They've made superheroes out of Craig, Calvin, me, and Shattered. It's rocking the anime. I feel like my old teenage Street Fighter coming out.
The party's good. But it's only good because every CoinGeek conference that we have, we go to another level.
Lorian, tell me, how's your experience this week at the CoinGeek Conference Seoul?
It's been phenomenal. There's been so much brain activity going on. There are so many ideas blossoming on the BSV blockchain. It certainly is like a Cambrian explosion.
There's so much development going on Bitcoin SV, and then to see how many people here are just building so many amazing applications, and it's 1 year from Bitcoin SV's genesis. It's fantastic.
Yes.
You guys have got to come. This is the most cutting edge conference that you're going to go to. Everybody's a builder, a developer. You don't have these desperate investors like trying to milk the last little bit out of the industry. It's all happening on SV.
There's so many crazy people here.
Our rocket tonight.
It has been an epic, successful CoinGeek Conference. So can you invite everybody to see us again in London?
London, yeah, the first week of February in London. It'll be Genesis upgrade. We'll be back to the original protocol, locked down, set in stone, infinite scaling, and it'll be like Woodstock. If you attended, you'll be telling your kids, I was there.
Yeah.
See you in London, first week of February.
2020.